Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Muskan Kapoor if you do not know me already, and I have been pretty gayab for a little over a month because I was studying and I was shooting for this amazing project with T Series for a Dhwani Bhanushali song called Nayan. So if you haven't heard it, you can go and listen to that and spot me. Anyway, I'm trying to do like a weekend wala vlog. It's already 3 o'clock. मैं सुबह पढ़ाई कर रही थी because my exams are coming. So I got to do that as well. But I have a few interesting things planned out, like decorating my Christmas tree, which is why I did not want to miss vlogging that. So anyway, अभी हम थोड़ा काम करने जा रहे हैं and I'll tell you मैं क्या कर रही हूँ काम करते करते. So yes, let's get started. Rolling intro.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
I basically wanted that school girl wala jo skirts hai, tennis skirts. I forgot what it's called. वो वाली skirts, and it was out of stock everywhere. So I thought I can get it tailor made, and the tailor was pretty confident because he was like ये तो school type की होती है. So he was pretty confident he would do it, but he kind of messed it up, and we asked him to do it again, जो 4-5 दिन पहले की बात है, and अभी हम वापस गए, and he made it worse. एंड ही इज़ लाइक अभी मैं और कुछ नहीं कर सकता. एंड वी वर लाइक भैया ये टाइट करना है. दोनों डेनिम्स ही है. हाँ कितना कितना करना नॉर्मल इतना इतना इसको. हाँ इसको इतना इतना इसको थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा करना है. सो मैं घर आ चुकी हूँ. आई एम गोना ट्राई द स्टफ एंड शो यू. एक्चुअली माई बॉडी टाइप इज़ वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट. माई वेस्ट इज़ 26-27 के अराउंड, बट 26 वाली जीन्स ऊपर ही नहीं चढ़ती बिकॉज आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वेट ऑन माई थाई, तो उससे ऊपर जाती नहीं. सो आई हैव टू बाई 28 या 30 की जीन्स एंड फिर वेस्ट से टाइट कराना पड़ता है. सो दैट इज़ वाई मेरी सारी जीन्स 30 साइज़ की होती है पर वेस्ट से टाइट होती है. यार एक तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता मैं कैमरा प्लेस कहाँ करूँ. एनीवे ये है मेरी डेनिम्स. मुझे नहीं पता दिख रही है कि नहीं, बट या नाउ दे आर टाइट फ्रॉम हियर एंड या दे फिट मी वेल. So the next thing I want to try are these shorts. I bought shorts and like denim lowers wala cheese from Hill Road for the very first time. Did not fit me the best. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I don't like the fitting as much, but chalta hai casually. When I go down to buy some stuff, I might wear it then. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is what the skirt looks like. बहुत ज़्यादा फेल नहीं हुई है. I think it could have been a little bit shorter, but yeah, my mom made me wear this top. My mom was like अच्छे top के साथ पहन. So I was like fine, you asked for it, you get it. Actually क्या हुआ था ना, it was stitched यहाँ तक, which is the actual design, but then it did not fit me. So he had to open this because उन्होंने अंदर margin ही नहीं छोड़ी. So yeah, that happened. But anyway, I think I can manage to wear this with something on Christmas. It's time to decorate the Christmas tree. It's around 6:30 right now. काफ़ी टाइम हो गया लास्ट मैंने जब vlog किया था तब से. But yes, it's Christmas tree decoration time. I'm wearing this night suit that I bought from Hill Road. मुझे नहीं पता दिख रहा है कि नहीं. But yeah, this is the packet of the Christmas tree. हमने last year भी यही use किया था. We did not buy a new one yet. And we have to clean all of this and then we'll get. Hi guys, good morning. It's around 11:30, 11:45 right now. I woke up 10:45 के आसपास. I brushed, I got fresh. I don't look fresh because I'm a little sleepy. I'm not a morning person. I'm a little grumpy during the day. And yeah, I slept really well today though. I slept around 10 घंटे सोई हूँ मैं. So I had a good sleep. Anyway, आज का plan ये है कि first thing we have to go to do is to go to the mall. We're going to Infinity Mall Malad. Actually, remember the denim story I told you yesterday? I bought 30 waist ka denim from West Side, Neon brand है from there, and they did not fit me. So I have to go and get it exchanged. And वहाँ पे exchange करने के लिए you have to go in a week. So there's no like 30-day exchange policy anymore. You have to go there in a week because of COVID. You can't even try the clothes there. So yeah, that is what I have to do. फिर देखते हैं. Let's go. The mall now, the most awkward place to film for me. So yeah, and this is what I'm wearing. I'll show you guys later. I'm very awkward. I'm at Mr. DIY, one of my favorite places to be in, and I'm just looking at some stationery. I don't want to buy things unless I see something valuable, but I'm just looking around. Woohoo! Such a heaven for someone who loves stationery. I'm back, but before I go up and take a shower, I'll just show you my OOTD pretty quick. This is a t-shirt Coca-Cola ki that I bought from like an Insta store. I'm wearing my Fast Track key watch. My mask is from Fab India. My denims are from some local brand only, I don't know. And my shoes are from Puma. And और कुछ है और कुछ नहीं है. And I look like a mess right now. I am back home all fresh and I look like this. अभी एक न्यूज़ पता चली है that my exams are postponed. तो मेरे एग्ज़ाम 15th को थे, अभी डेट्स नहीं आई हैं. तो आई डोंट नो इफ़ आई शुड फील हैप्पी अबाउट इट और सैड अबाउट इट, क्योंकि आई वॉज प्रिपेयर्ड कि जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाएगा, चलो 15th आ गया. बट नाउ आई हैव टू वेट. सो या दैट्स देयर एंड आई शो यू क्विकली मैं क्या लाई हूँ ऐसे ही बिकॉज देयर आर फ्यू थिंग्स ओनली. सो आई गॉट दिस फ़ोन वाला रिंग लाइट. आई नो इट्स वेरी 2017 टू बाई दिस, बट अभी जाके मेरे को इसकी नीड आई है. सो आई गॉट दैट. I bought rubber bands because I lose them all the time. और क्या लाए हैं? Double sided tape लाए हैं क्योंकि वो हमको चाहिए था. And finally my mom wanted this for the sofa, so we bought that. So yeah, best haul outfit ever. And I forgot to get my GoPro. I am going to Aviral's house क्योंकि उसके घर पे चिकन कीमा बना है और मेरे घर पे आलू की सब्जी बनी है. So I was like, मम्मी कैन आई हैव चिकन कीमा. सो या दैट्स वेयर आई एम गोइंग. एंड या मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, हम थोड़ा सा वॉक पे गए थे पहले, एंड आफ्टर वॉकिंग वी आर हियर एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग. सो यस, आई विल सेंड यू पिक्चर ऑफ द फूड. नॉट सेंड यू, बट यू माइट सी इट. यम्मी. मैं ऑलरेडी एक बाइट ले ली. आई एम एक्सट्रीमली ड्रेन्ड टुडे. मैं ज़्यादा फिल्म नहीं कर पाई एंड I was just going around यहाँ से वहाँ से यहाँ. कल संडे है एंड कल भी आई हैव टू शूट. आई एम शूटिंग फॉर एम कैफीन. उसके लिए मेरे को एक रील बनानी है. सो आई हैव टू शूट फॉर दैट टुमारो. एंड और कुछ है क्या कल? और कुछ शूट टाइप्स तो नहीं है और फिर थोड़ी पढ़ाई करनी है. बस पढ़ाई मैं कैमरे पे नहीं दिखा रही कॉज कुछ दिखाने टाइप्स है नहीं. जस्ट या एनीवे, डिड आई से इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 12 o'clock? या इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 12 o'clock. And I'm very sleepy. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It is a little chilly in Mumbai, but I like it. Hi guys, it's 4 p.m. right now. I did like an audition. After I have done Nain, I have had over 2-3 audition calls in a day, but then I have to see what I want to do and what I don't want to do, which is very important in life, that even you all should know. You all should always choose something that you will be proud of in the future. Muskan advises. Anyway, abhi I'm going for the M Caffeine wala shoot that I told you all. I'm shooting for this M Caffeine ka scrub. I already have one in my bathroom that I use on like a weekly basis, but they sent me one, so I'm like, दो आ गए. Anyway, I'll take you around the BTS of that and then we'll see what I have to do next. I'm sorry I'm not vlogging a lot क्योंकि कुछ ज़्यादा हो नहीं रहा. Anyway, I'm down. It's a little windy, which is why I'm wearing a jacket, क्योंकि I am very prone to get cold super super soon. मैं अपना रिंग लाइट ऐसे लेके जा रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को डिसमेंटल करना नहीं आ रहा. Anyway, I am going to shoot at one of my friends' place, मम्मी की friend's place, because उनका बाथरूम मेरे बाथरूम से better है, and I have to shoot in the bathroom. So yeah, चल. मम्मा स्कूटी में आएगी. मम्मी. अच्छा, मम्मी is coming on a scooty and me and Arvan we are going in an auto. This is my OOTD. I'm at my mom's friend's place wearing a bathrobe, and yeah, shoot is going to start. Halfway into it and I've already made a mess. Amazing. I'll show you some BTS के clips जो मुझे मिलेंगे from the main camera जो मैंने mess up किया है. So I'll insert it somewhere here. Vertical है because reels. But yeah. तो को बोलना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
तो नहीं समझेगा किसी को.
छोटी रिंग
उसमें भी नहीं है उसका.
मम्मी को तेरे को ही क्यों देना पड़ेगा क्योंकि
हाँ,
मैं
आंटी
नहीं
दे
बोल
दो.
सकती हूँ. रुक जा. हाँ, ट्राई करते हैं. इसमें कुछ गीला गीला होना नहीं है.
मेरे अंदर है कॉफी.
कोई नहीं.
Ready?
टेस्टी होता है. देखा क्या है. हो गया है कंप्लीट और मेरा सिर्फ ये हाथ हो गया है एक्सफोलिएट. यहाँ पे आने के बाद पता चला आई एम नॉट वैक्स्ड. सो आई हैव ट्राइड टू मैनिपुलेट क्योंकि अभी यहाँ पे कहाँ से वैक्स करती. आई कांट यूज एनीवन एल्सेस रेजर. अपने घर पे होती तो कर लेती. बट यार बहुत थक गई हूँ. ये देख तो नहीं रहा. हाँ ठीक है. We are done shooting and I am in my old society. It was Orchid in Thakur village. Now I can reveal. And yeah, यहाँ पे मैंने इतना खेला है अपने बचपन में. It looks the same. Everything is the same. The nostalgia is hitting me so hard. All my friends used to live here. अभी तो सब चले गए हैं कहीं ना कहीं. मैं भी खुद shift हो गई हूँ. But yeah, my heart. Now I have to go back home and it will take a little while to reach home. And then after that I have to shoot a little bit more. So yeah, मैं अपना tripod carry करना भूल गई तो मैंने GoPro हाथ में पकड़ा हुआ है तो ऐसे लग रहा है पता नहीं. Anyway, bye bye. I really want to watch a Christmas movie, which is why I took out my Fire TV stick and Netflix पे कुछ देखते हैं. Mostly तो आ ही जाती है during Christmas. I'm too late. I usually watch Christmas movies मतलब starting of December से. But मुझे लगा था मेरे exams होंगे. But now that they are postponed, I can watch a movie or two. Yay! I'm watching this movie, Christmas Wedding Planner. So yes, we'll give you the reviews. 2017 की movie है पर मैंने अभी तक देखी नहीं. So yay! Saw the movie, ate dinner. Movie was really nice. Obviously, like every typical Christmas movie, love and all of that. And I do enjoy that only during Christmas season. Otherwise, I'm a very like action, thriller, science fiction, ये सब. But during Christmas time, I don't know, the weather is only so romantic that I can't. Anyway, I'm going down for a walk right now. It's 10:30, तो मैं नीचे थोड़ा सा walk करूँगी. I was not feeling very good. So yeah, थोड़ा सा fresh air लेके. Yup. I'm actually sitting outside and painting. I'll show you in 1 second. So yeah, I actually had to stay quiet outside because everybody else was sleeping in the other room. And मेरी आवाज़ बहुत ज़ोर से आती है. So yeah, anyway, you'll see a clip somewhere over here of me trying to paint something. और मैंने अभी ये ring light on की हुई है because मेरे room की lighting enough नहीं है. एक bulb ख़राब हो गया है. So yeah, it is कितने बजे? Exact 12 बज गए हैं. Yeah, so happy birthday. So this is what I made right now. It's pretty basic. I don't really know how to paint. I just enjoy. I'll paint another canvas and then go off to sleep. Anyway, I'm here to wrap up my YouTube video. If you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, make sure you give this a very big thumbs up. Follow me on my Insta if you all don't already. I'm very active there. So please follow me there. Subscribe down below and share it with your friends maybe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.